know. I hear about it every day on the news.
I'm going to vote for Obama.
I think he is a good choice, but I think McCain would make a good president also.
I know. They're both good. It's hard to decide. McCain is older, but he has more experience. Obama seems to have a lot of good ideas, but some people say he wants to raise taxes.
I heard he wants to lower taxes. It's hard to know what the truth is. That's the reason I really don't pay attention to politics.
Yes, it can be frustrating, but it's important and it's interesting to watch. Lesson 100, Book Club. Hey, John, can I talk to you for a minute?
Sure, what's up?
I wanted to let you know about a book club I joined a couple months ago. I know you do a lot of reading, so I thought you might want to come with me next month.
Oh, that sounds like fun. When does the group meet?
Usually the last Saturday of the month at 9:30 in the evening. Is that too late for you?
No, I think that's okay. What do you talk about in the group?
Well, every month we choose a new book and then during the next meeting we discuss it.
What book are you reading now?
The Kite Runner.
I've heard that's a good book. What's it about?
It is a good book. I'm almost finished. The book is about a boy who grows up in Afghanistan during the 1980s. It's called The Kite Runner because the main character takes part in a kite flying competition.
That sounds really interesting. I'd love to come.
Okay, great. The next meeting isn't for another 2 weeks, so you still have time to read the book.
I have a cold. I have a cold. I have one in my car. I have one in my car. I have one in my car. I made this cake.
I made this cake.
Made this cake. I made this cake.
I made this cake.
Sono professore.
I am a teacher.
I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher.
I'm a teacher.
Tenho meu próprio negócio. I'm self-employed. I'm self-employed. I'm self-employed.
Ainda tenho muito o que fazer.
I still have a lot to do.
I still have a
I
lot to do.
still have a lot to do. I still have a lot to do.
Eu ainda não decidi.
I still haven't decided. I still haven't decided. I still haven't decided.
Depende do tempo.
It depends on the weather. It depends on the weather. Depends on the weather.
Tá muito frio hoje.
It's very cold today.
It's very close today.
Very cold today.
very cold
It's
today.
very cold today.
It's very cold.
A bagagem está perdida.
My luggage is missing. My luggage is missing. My luggage is missing.
Gostou da ideia do vídeo? Então se inscreva e ative as notificações para não perder nenhum vídeo novo, tá bom?
Yeah.
O estômago dói.
My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts.
A garganta está inflamada.
My throat is sore. My throat is sore. My throat is sore.
O relógio foi roubado.
My watch has been stolen. My watch has been stolen. My watch has been stolen.
Com esse remédio.
Take this medicine. Take this medicine. Take this medicine.
O acidente aconteceu no cruzamento.
The accident happened at the intersection. The accident happened at the intersection. The accident happened at the intersection.
Oh, my friend.
Houve acidente de carro.
There has been a car accident. There has been a car accident. There's been a car accident.
Posso trocar dólares?
Where can I exchange US dollars? Where can I exchange US dollars? Can I exchange US dollars?
E você trabalha?
Where do you work? Where do you work?